Hi dolls, it's your girl Shanae, and I'm back with another wig review. Yes, you guys, you heard me right. This is a wig. If you are here for it, keep watching.
A dime piece, man.
Bad things, fine as hell. Oh my God, that's my baby. Caroline, you divine, mighty fine. Started really wrote a pie, like a pro. What?
Okay, dolls. So this wig is so bomb. Her name is Anny, and y'all, she's a braided full lace wig. I ordered her from SleekBraidWig, if I'm not mistaken. I'll make sure I have everything correct in the description. But I found her off of not Amazon, y'all. I found her off of Instagram from another YouTuber that ordered wigs from her. This wig has, I think, 4 combs in it. I don't really like combs, but I don't use them. But hey, they were there. And y'all, do y'all see this lace? Like, this lace literally matches my skin tone perfectly. And y'all, I'm not like chocolate, but y'all, I'm dark skin, I'm brown. And a lot of times laces be so light, you have to add foundation to them. I did not have to add any foundation to this lace. I just put it on. And y'all, my head is big as well, and this lace wig fit pretty good. I'm going in right now and I'm just cutting off some of the lace. I didn't cut off all of it because y'all, it matched my skin so perfectly, like you could barely tell it was even there. So I kept some on there, and because I don't know how long this wig will last, and I didn't want the wig to take off too much of the lace and then pull it and have it to rip, because the lace is not, it's not a real thick lace, it's not super thin, but it's just like the perfect size, it's just like the perfect lace. Okay, so now that I got both parts laying down like I like it, see, I'm gonna show y'all that I got a big head, and I'm gonna show y'all the back. I can't see, so hopefully it do right. Okay, so this is the back. As you can see, it's like 2-layer braid, and then this is the bottom part. My head is pretty big, and like I said, I have braids. These aren't like your regular hair braided back. These are dreads up under here. And majority of people, I think I seen with this wig, they would just, you know, braid their hair back. And you know, if you're just wearing your regular braids or your regular hair, they're nothing like locks. Braiding locks back and trying to get them super flat. When somebody come up with a way how to do it, let me know, because I think I get mine pretty flat, but I don't get them like flat like you want your stomach. I don't get my braids flat like that, and I definitely get my stomach flat like that. Okay, so anyways, now I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna just fix these baby hairs, and I'm also gonna go in and fix this area, like where I see it trying to lift. And just depending on how you like your edges, like, you know. I don't like mine to look, I don't like my baby hairs to look crazy. And I like to take mine out, because if you take them in, usually like with my longer wigs, I take them in. But when you take them in, y'all got a big forehead, remember? So when you take them out, it do actually also make your forehead look just a little bit more tinier. Okay? I'm gonna go in with my Got To Be Glue Freeze Blush Spray. And I'm gonna spray that, and then I'm gonna just tie my head up. I like to go in with this. It's all dirty if I'm making some stuff. and I will be back to show you guys the finished results. So you guys, here is the wig after I went ahead and let I like the things down there and I let it get secured. This is the front. This is the back. And I am loving this wig. But yeah, I was just so ready and so hyped to do this review, so if I look busted, y'all, I apologize. I don't have no makeup. And yeah, I'm about to do some homework and get ready to go to bed, but I love this wig so much. I just wanted to go ahead and do a review because I wanted to wear it tomorrow. So I was like, let me go ahead and film, like, so y'all can pretty much see exactly how it was pretty much out of the vlog. Yeah, I'll put all her links and all that stuff in the description below. And if you're new to the channel, if it's your first time seeing me, don't forget to subscribe. If you've seen me before and you already subscribed, go ahead and hit the bell to be notified when your girl uploads new content. And yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for always showing me love. Y'all know I'm coming back with some more fire wig reviews because yeah, I got some more coming for y'all, so just stay tuned. And if y'all ready to see some more reviews, let me know in the comments below. I love you guys, and if you guys follow me and if you guys let me know you came from my social media, y'all, I follow back and I look at y'all snaps. Okay, but see y'all soon.